Hi friends, it's Petra here with another Hip Kit Club video, and today I am using the gorgeous September kits. And as you see, it's the main kit, the cardstock kit, the embellishment kit, that beautiful leaf die cut and that amazing background stamp with the numbers. So I started with the hello, hello, or hello, my name is paper, and I fussy cut, well, it's not very fussy, but I cut out all the different labels and I sewn them with my sewing machine. Just a simple line, but I wanted to create that extra dimension with all the leftover thread that is hanging besides, and I left that on purpose. So I'm scrapping my beautiful niece Jazz today, and I am using the cardstock kit with that beautiful fall color orange and that purple just to back my photo. And you who are following me for a while now, you know that I always simply use my scissors to distress the edges of my photos. So I am starting to arrange all those little labels, and I love the colors. They are so gorgeous. And I want to create just a vertical messy background with those labels, and I decide to glue them together, and some bits are really tiny to glue them down, but I just want to create that um, layout piece first before I create a bit of mixed media on my background. And it's just a matter of patience and just simply wait until the glue is dry enough. So I'm simply overlapping them here and there and creating a bit of a playful arrangement of those little labels. And there is no science behind it. It's just what I think looks good at that moment. If I would have made it a day later, it probably would have looked completely different. But so I've glued them all down and the glue is dry. So as you can see, I can pick it up completely. And I'm simply marking the place where I want to have that piece when I'm done doing my background. And I'm using the saltwater taffy oxide from the color kit that was last month. And I am using that gorgeous number background stamp, and I'm not using any stamp platform or anything. I'm just simply pressing it down by hand, because since it's a background, I don't mind if it's not perfectly stamped. So I want to create a circle element in this layout. So I decide to sew a circle halfway, and I've also done some zigzagging in that circle, and I will be layering my title around that circle. So it helps you put the stickers down better because you have a guideline, and always stitching is always a good thing in your layouts, I think. So I love to stitch, hand stitching, machine stitching. It's always gives so much more detail and just fun to look at. So I stitch a lot. So in the embellishment kit is a gorgeous floral die cut, and I decide to cut them a bit to size because I love a white border, but I just wanted a bit of a smaller border. So you can always alter your die cuts or your embellishments to your own needs at that moment. That's what makes them so versatile. So I just make a little flower arrangement at the bottom of that circle, and I don't glue them down yet because I decide to first put down that title because I don't really know where I'm going to end up with that title. So just a bit of thinking ahead. And the title is easy because on those labels it says, "Hello, my name is." So I decided to use that as a title as well. "Hello, my name is Jazz." And I think she's such a cute little baby. But I'm a proud aunt, so I think I'm biased. But still. Okay, so time to glue those flowers down. But I also decide that I wanted to incorporate that leaf die cut that we can get in the September kits. And it's such an amazing die this time, and I always love leaves and little stems, and so I just wanted to incorporate that to give that layout a bit more dimension, and it was another excuse to use the cardstock that I've used as a backing for my photo, to use that again and just match everything perfectly. So I'm simply layering those flowers on top of those little leaves. And I'm totally in love with that die cut, so I am going to use it a lot. I know that for sure. And I'm just creating 3 clusters of the leaves in the 2 colors that are also the colors which I've backed my photo with. And just to balance everything out, I'm also creating a little flower cluster on the left top of that photo. And again, I am trimming those white edges a bit down. And that's it. So I hope you liked it. I hope you got some inspiration. Please let me know what you think. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Check out all the perks of being a HipKit Club subscriber, and hope to see you soon next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.